The transformer model is HSSP-Z 90000. Rated primary current is 2008 AAC. It uses an oil-immersed cooling method. The transformer is packed in a wooden case. It features a 2-winding design. This product complies with IEC standards. Certifications include ISO 9001. It is ideal for electric arc furnace use. The product originates from Ningbo. Operating voltage is 33 kV plus or minus 10%. One normal frequency is 50 Hz. Rated capacity is 90 MVA. Gross weight per unit is 000 kg. Insulation level is 85/200ths of a kilovolt. It has high frequency characteristics. The tap changer operates at 115 volts AC. Protection contact voltage is 110 volts DC.